Hey, Dad.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah, can't take your eyes off her brother.
Zoom in. Have to do it manually. Hey. Hey, what are you doing, Mr. Moo? Can Liam say brother?
Did you miss your brother today, Liam? Did you miss your brother?
Yeah.
Oh, you did. Good boy. He missed you too. Hey, he missed you too.
Hey.
Yeah, he did. He was looking out where was his brother.
Oh.
Hey, but gentle, just gentle. Where's Dad? What's Dad doing? What's Dad doing? What's Dad doing over there?
I don't care.
Just very gentle, softly only.
Softly.
Where's that iPad got? Are you pretending? Liam's pretending.
Where's the iPad?
Has Dad got it? You're pretending you've got it.
Dad's got it. Got Mum and Darcy. Is that Darcy? You want it to go back in there?
Oh, ask Daddy, please.
Please?
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 Liam?
Please?
Please, Dad?
Say please.
Good boy, darling. Good talking.